Do you want to give your contact's profile picture a different look? You can apply various effects directly to the picture without changing the original photo. Let me show you how. First, open the Contacts app. Select the contact you want to customize. Tap the Details icon. Next, tap the profile picture. Tap Edit. Now, tap Effect. Swipe left on the picture to change the effect and see how it looks. Here, you will find several options, including original, blur, grayscale, grayscale background, color, ink, pastel, and oil paint. For this example, let's choose grayscale background. This keeps the subject in color while turning the background grayscale. Once you are happy with the result, tap Apply. To save the change, tap Done. As a note, if you also want to add an effect to the profile card, you can repeat the step. And that's how to add an effect to a contact's profile picture on the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.